Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add trust badges in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify and then just click to applications. You can visit the Shopify App Store and you want to download Ultimate Sales Boost. This is the application that you want, and you just want to click add application. And voila, here we got it. You need to install it, right? So when you're gonna do it, what you have to do is just simply open the application here, and then just simply go in your application and you're gonna see here trust badges. So when you got it, you want to change the campaign name here, and then you can see it also here. Let me show you. Ultimate Sales Boost, scroll down below, and trust badges, select template, and here you just want to campaign name. You want to scroll down below, you can change the collection page config button to upgrade the version. To have it completely for free, you need to scroll down below and you can simply choose the trust badges, and we are going to have them on, right? And you can this is how they can pay. And then you're gonna see advanced trust badges that you can add. So you get a free shipping, 30-day money back guarantee, best choice, free return, free shipping guarantee. Really choose which one you personally like. And you can also align them to center. Then you can check out booster, add here. And yep. You can also change font and text color. You can see it here, or also color of this one, the badges. So have them green to create this approval mind, right? And you can price the product, all products to all countries. You can also target the products on mutual selection if you want to, and applies to customers. And this is pretty much it, how you do it. So this is how you can add trust badges. I mean, this is really good way to add them, and it's quite simple. And then you're gonna have it under every product. Then you can just click save. Got it, right? And I can see here my trusted badges are active right now. So yeah, this is pretty much how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.